For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Gold is one of the most actively traded commodities in the world, often considered a safe haven asset during economic uncertainty. While traditional trading relies on charts, news, and manual analysis, artificial intelligence, AI, can now offer more precise and data-driven insights to improve your gold trading performance. This guide walks you through a step-by-step process to trade gold using AI, from setting up your trading foundation to automating your trades. Step 1. Understand the basics of gold trading. Before diving into AI tools, ensure you have a foundational understanding of gold trading. Trading instruments. Gold can be traded through spot contracts, futures, ETFs like GLD, CFDs, and gold mining stocks. Key influences. Gold prices are driven by factors like interest rates, inflation, U.S. dollar strength, central bank activity, and geopolitical risk. Common strategies: trend following, mean reversion, breakout trading, and hedging. If you're new, consider paper trading or demo accounts before using real money. Step 2. Define your trading goals and style. AI can help with many aspects of trading, but it needs direction. Clarify. Are you a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor? Do you want predictive analytics or fully automated trading bots? What is your risk tolerance and capital allocation? Answering these will guide your AI tool selection and trading strategy. Step 3. Choose the right AI tools and platforms. There are many AI-driven platforms and tools that can analyze markets, generate signals, or even place trades on your behalf. Choose tools that fit your goals. Popular AI tools for gold trading. 1. Trade Ideas. Real-time alerts with AI-generated trading signals. 2. TrendSpider. Uses AI to detect trend lines, patterns, and backtest strategies. 3. MetaTrader 5 with AI bots. Allows integration of custom AI bots or expert advisors, EAs. 4. Turing Trader / Quant Connect / Alpaca. Platforms for algorithmic and AI-based strategy development. 5. ChatGPT and LLMs can be used for real-time data analysis, sentiment summarization, and macroeconomic trend tracking. Tip: combine technical and fundamental tools. For example, use AI to analyze central bank news, while another tool identifies technical chart patterns. Step 4. Gather historical data and live feeds. AI thrives on data. You'll need clean, reliable datasets to build or train AI systems. Sources of gold data. Yahoo Finance, historical prices for XAU/USD or GLD ETF. Quandl, premium macroeconomic data, some free. Alpha Vantage/12 data, APIs for real-time price feeds. TradingView offers charting and integration with scripts. Feed this data into your AI model or platform for training and real-time analysis. Step 5. Use AI for predictive analytics. Now it's time to let AI do its magic: forecasting and pattern detection. AI-driven strategies may include machine learning models, train models, e.g., LSTM, random forests, to forecast gold prices based on historical data and macro indicators. Sentiment analysis. Use AI to analyze Twitter, news headlines, or Reddit posts for market sentiment toward inflation, rates, or gold. Pattern recognition. AI can detect head and shoulders patterns, channels, or breakouts far faster than human eyes. Example: train a model using inputs: gold price history, DXY dollar index, interest rates, CPI data. Output: predicted gold price direction next day. Backtest and refine this model before deploying it in live markets. Step 6. Create or subscribe to AI trading signals. If you don't want to build your own model, you can subscribe to AI-generated signals. Many platforms offer buy-sell alerts, market sentiment scores, probability forecasts. These signals can be imported into your trading platform via APIs or used manually. Important: evaluate signal accuracy with backtesting. Do not blindly follow AI predictions. Understand the logic behind them. Step 7. Build or integrate AI trading bots. For advanced users, the next step is automation. AI bots can analyze, decide, and place trades without manual intervention. Ways to build a gold trading bot. Python plus ML libraries. TensorFlow, scikit-learn build a bot that predicts and trades gold. Use MetaTrader EAs. Download or program AI-based expert advisors. API automation. Use brokers like Alpaca or interactive brokers to connect your AI model to trading APIs. Make sure your bot includes risk management rules, stop loss/take profit logic, real-time data, feed integration. Caution: test your bot in a sandbox or demo environment before going live. Step 8. Implement risk management strategies. AI can be accurate, but not perfect. Protect your capital with strong risk controls. Position sizing algorithms. Let AI calculate optimal lot sizes. Portfolio diversification. Avoid overexposure to gold. Balance with bonds, cash, or other commodities. Stop-loss automation. Use trailing stops or volatility-adjusted exits. You can also program AI to detect overtrading patterns or emotional decision-making cues. Step 9. Monitor and optimize your strategy. Once live, monitor your performance weekly or monthly. Use AI dashboards and analytics to evaluate win/loss ratio, max drawdown, Sharpe ratio, prediction accuracy. Update your AI models regularly. Market dynamics shift. Your strategy should too. Step 10. Stay informed with AI-augmented insights. Finally, use AI to stay updated on macroeconomic factors that influence gold. Tools. ChatGPT or Bloomberg GPT. Ask for gold market summaries or inflation outlooks. Google Bard/Claude. Compare perspectives. AI-based summarizers. Use them to digest central bank statements, economic reports, or earnings. This allows you to remain informed without spending hours on research. AI does the heavy lifting. Final thoughts. AI is not a magic bullet, but when combined with human intuition and strong discipline, it can significantly improve your gold trading outcomes. Whether you use AI for market forecasting, sentiment analysis, or fully automated bots, the edge lies in your ability to integrate it into a smart and tested trading framework. As technology evolves, so will the tools available. Stay curious, keep learning, and always backtest before risking real money. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.